Alright, so just got back from detail and of course it's raining. We all hate it when we get the car washed or wash the car and the damn skies open up. So perfectly good, freshly washed car is ruined. So I am going to show you what I use in order to remedy the situation. Here goes. All right, so we're all done. So again, go and get some afterwash here. Do not spray it on the windows. It is a big mistake you will regret ever even coming out of the womb. It's a massive mistake. Do not spray it on the windows. But do spray it on the car while it's still wet after you just got in from, you know, the downpour after you wash your car. And here we are. Nice and clean again. All you have to do is just be mindful of not pushing on the paint as you're drying it. Let the towel do the work. So, here we are, all shiny and beautiful. Never mind the rims, we'll get to those soon, very soon. And if you didn't see the cloth that I used, it was a the first one, in order to get up most of the water, was a waffle weave microfiber. Again, I only use Chemical Guys for the most part, so that's the brand. I know people are gonna ask. And then the other towels, the orange towels, were again microfiber and Chemical Guys. So there you are. Looking good again.